3. Change. Things change in this world. Since my birth, 12 presidents have occupied the White House, and the country has undergone drastic changes. To return to once familiar places is sometimes a shock because the differences are so dramatic. The river where I fished as a boy looks radically different. I lost my way in my university city because the familiar landmarks were gone. Looking in the mirror, I realized that I have changed too. I saw some pictures of our present home site more than 50 years ago when it was a gold mine. It was so very different then because so many trees have grown back and filled the area, and some hills have been bulldozed and smoothed out. Things change, and so do we. God's salvation and grace remain unchanged amidst all the changes of life. God tells us, quote, "The mountains shall depart and the hills be removed, but my kindness shall not depart from thee, neither shall the covenant of my peace be removed." Isaiah 54:10. In Isaiah 51:6, he makes his promise even stronger. Quote, "Lift up your eyes to the heavens and look upon the earth beneath. For the heavens shall vanish away like smoke, and the earth shall wax old like a garment, but my salvation shall be forever, and my righteousness shall not be abolished." End quote. All the changes of the world are God's earthquakes, designed to shatter the things that need to be destroyed. We are plainly told that all the things that are must be shaken, so that only those things that cannot be shaken may remain. Hebrews 12:26-29. We must therefore hold fast to Christ, who cannot change. We must have a faith that cannot be shaken. All the shakings, earthquakes, and changes of our life can be the means of our strengthening, so that we may become steadfast and unshakable. As I look out of my study window at the beauty and majesty of the mountains, it is a joy to know that, while they may depart, God's kindness, covenant, and salvation never shall. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever.